beautiful weather here at the Kennedy Space Center, where we welcome you for our live coverage of NASA and SpaceX's launch of Crew 5. I'm Daryl Nail, and with me is NASA astronaut Bob Behnken, who along with Doug Hurley were the first astronauts to fly Crew Dragon into space. Bob, it's great to have you here. You were part of that historic flight, and now here you are back helping us with our launch commentary for today's mission.
Well, thank you, Daryl. I'm super excited to be here. A beautiful day to relive my launch experience. Looking forward to it.
You certainly will remember this experience well. We've got video recording from just less than an hour ago of Crew 5 getting suited up in that historic suit-up room. And there you see them. Everything went smoothly. You can see the astronauts there in their spacesuits after getting them fitted and tested.
And those minus 3 hours and 23 minutes. The displays are configured for crew ingress on schedule.
That's our launch audio. We're going to pause whenever that comes up. But tell me a little bit about those custom flight suits, Bob.
Well, Daryl, I've heard those suits referred to as space tuxedos by some of the SpaceX team, and they are custom fit, and they are, what the crew needs to wear in case there was any sort of an issue inside of the capsule.
And here they come,
And
Crew 5.
Crew they're ready for crew arrival, and crew are walking out of the O&C room now, on schedule.
Indeed they are. And there they are. The astronauts of Crew 5 taking their first steps outside as they head to the pad. From left to right, cosmonaut Anna Pikina, Josh Cassada, Commander Nicole Mann, and Koichi Wakata. So that was a pose for a picture. And here they go to their ride out to the pad. 3 Teslas all lined up in queue, along with a full security escort. And the folks you see there, family, loved ones. This is a moment to have an exchange, Bob.
It is. It's an opportunity for the crew, if you will, to take a little bit of a break from the technical briefs that they've been having this morning as they got suited up and understood what the weather conditions were. They get a chance to say goodbye to their families, see some smiling faces, again, have a little bit of a relaxing moment with their families before they get serious again and head out to the launch pad.
It can be an emotional moment.
Absolutely. For the Demo 2 mission, my son was super excited to yell Launch America. So that was the one thing that you could absolutely hear. Even inside the suit with our deep insert earplugs, you could hear that Launch America tune when he sang it out.
Look at that license plate. I was just noticing that. Blast off.
Yeah, Daryl, the SpaceX team has been creative with those license plates. It's always cool to see what they add to the Teslas to make the experience just a little bit personalized.
It's a nice touch. As you can see, the media in the background positioning themselves for a good shot as the Teslas roll out with a full security escort on a 20-minute drive to pad 39A. There they go.
Core countdown. T-minus 3 hours and 15 minutes. Crew are beginning their transport from the O&C room to the pad, right on schedule.
Call out to the SpaceX team. The crew now departing the Neil Armstrong Operations and Checkout Building. Slow rolling as they make a shot available for all of the media and photographers down there. They're beginning their 20-minute drive with a full security escort across NASA's Kennedy Space Center.